Hi everybody. The next step in the Slowpoke build is to attach the horizontal and vertical stabilizers. I won't show you how I went about kind of gluing these up, mainly because it's a fairly easy process, but it is a bit tricky, a bit tedious when it actually comes to making sure that everything is true and square. The instructions themselves rather unhelpfully say that in order to install the horizontal stabilizer, you simply eyeball it, its alignment with the fuselage and the wings. I like to be a little bit more accurate on it, and I just measure up from the table on both sides to make sure that it's accurate. Then I pick a center point and make sure that the tips of the horizontal stabilizer as well are correctly aligned. And then using a 30-minute epoxy, glue it in place and simply keep checking, checking, and rechecking. And the same with the vertical stabilizer. It is very, very important to ensure that that is an absolute 90 degree against the horizontal stabilizer. And again, 30-minute epoxy, and just keep an eye on it, keep checking it, tape it into place, and then just monitor it until it's actually glued up. So I'm pretty happy with how this come out. I'm going to leave it, and next thing I'm going to do is move on to what is the turtle deck and the front deck. That's primarily made out of these, which are a series of just formers, which you glue onto the top of the fuselage, and then you run stringers from each of these notches down through these notches in the rear former and to the vertical stabilizer. So that's going to be my next task: cut all of these out, cut all the stringers out, and start assembling the deck from rear to forward. Okay, so that's it. I've built up all of the turtle deck and the rest of the cockpit and top deck. And my next job now is to start sanding all of the fuselage down, get a nice shape, get it all really nice and smooth, ready for covering. I'll do the same for the wings, and then I'll move on to the covering and then the assembly of the control surfaces at the tail end of the plane. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you've enjoyed watching all of those shavings being produced. Catch you in the next video.